We'll walk around for 10 minutes and go for to bring lunch. Right. Come, take this like this.
Hi.
Straight.
They met some people soon after they had got inside.
Hi.
Hello.
You and you are here. You did not get the way. Since from 3/4 hours we are here.
Don't worry, I know the way. I have got the map. You feel like you can follow me.
Yeah. Thank you. So kind of you.
Okay, follow me. Straight.
Come.
Straight.
They picked up various other people who wanted to get it over as they went along until they
Come
had
slowly,
observed all the people
Come.
in the maze. People who had given up all the hopes of ever getting either in or out, of ever seeing their home and friends again, plucked up courage at the sight of Harris and his party and joined the procession, blessing him.
Oh yes, it's one of the largest mills in Europe. 2 miles.
Harris began to think it rather strange himself, but he held until at the last they had passed up a half-penny bun.
I swear I had seen it 7 minutes before.
Oh, it's impossible.
Oh, not at all. It was in my baby's hand. I have threw it before I met you. I would have never meet the right of this person.
Hey, no, we are not sitting.
The map may be already know. If we are know where we are right now.
Harris didn't know and suggested that the best thing to do was to go back again.
Move to left. Left.
Yeah, let's come.
Yeah. Oh, come soon.
For the beginning again,
Come.
Harris didn't know and suggested that the best thing to do would be go back again to the entrance.
We'll begin from the center.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Why? We lost the way.
Oh, again.
Will not come. We wasted our energy.
Hey, no, come.
Again, we'll show the route. Come.
Come. Come.
Yeah.
Come straight. Yeah.
About 10 more minutes passed and they found themselves in the center.
Again.
Harris thought at first of pretending that was what he had aiming, but the crowd looked dangerous.
Curl this paper with your head.
Hey, no. It's a
You
mistake.
cheated us.
Hey, no.
He's not a
We are
cheater.
not
Hey,
cheaters.
don't say that. He's not a cheater.
Hey, no. We'll call the keeper now. Keeper!
Yeah, what happened?
We are not getting the way.
Wait, I'll tell the directions.
Yeah.
Go to the right.
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 Yeah, come.
Where?
Go to the left.
Left.
I think they're not getting the way.
Yeah.
Wait, I'll come in.
Come.
going at the left.
Oh God, I'm not getting the way.
Hey, what?
I'm the new keeper. We need to call for the old keeper. And we must wait till the old keeper comes from dinner.
Oh, shit.
I think old keeper has come. Old
Old
keeper! Please help us! Old keeper!
Old keeper.
Please. Come. Please. Yeah, we'll go from here.
Yeah, come.
I think old keeper way is there.
Yeah. I think he showed us way.
Yeah.
I think way is there. Old keeper.
Yeah, come soon. Walk. Yeah, we will get the way.
We'll get the way now.
We get the way now.
Yeah, come.
Yeah, we got now. We got.